Good morning, students. I hope you all are well. I am Dr. P.R. Parihar, SPCA Government College, Ajmer. I am teaching you linear algebra. Yesterday, we have defined the word linear algebra as well as abstract algebra. Linear algebra is the study of vector space and abstract algebra is the study of algebraic structure. What is the algebraic structure? This is nothing. It is a non-empty set equipped with binary composition. Vector space is a special type of algebraic structure. Yesterday we introduced binary composition. Binary composition is defined on a set and it is a mapping. If the set is A, then the mapping is from A cross A to set A itself. So today let us continue this part. Suppose A be the set having 3 members, and as you know that if we write A cross A, then it is 1 2 1 3 1 1. Order is not important. Writing the members 2 1 2 2 2 3 3 1 3 2 3 3. If the mapping that is from A cross A to A, this is the mapping. This mapping is denoted by this particular symbol. That means this is A cross A and here is A. This is the mapping. If this is a mapping, then there is a rule. What is the rule? The rule is to add these two numbers. This is the rule. So if I write here 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 1, 2, 1 and 3, 3 here. So if the rule is plus, for example, then this is associated with this 1, 3, no image here. So this is not a function. This is not a function. That means this is not a binary composition in the set A. That means the set A is not closed with respect to addition. Again I repeat, the set A is not closed with respect to addition. इसका मतलब ये है कि कोई भी 2 मेंबर्स ले लिए, उनको ऐड किया, जो वापस आंसर आ रहा है वो वापस उसी सेट में जाना चाहिए. If I pick up 2 and 3, 2 plus 3 that is 5 and 5 is not a member of this one. So addition is not closed, or in other words we can say addition is not the binary composition. I write it here. Here addition is not closed in the set A, or addition is not the binary composition in set A. If the set is finite, number of elements limited, then this can be done using this composition table. This is the symbol we use for binary composition, or you can say for the rule. So if this is plus, for example, then 1 comma 1 means 1 plus 1, we write the answer here is 2. 1 plus 2, that is 3. 1 plus 3, here it is 4, this number. This does not belong to if you find at least one element here which is not the member of the given set, then this is not binary composition. Or I can say if the composition is addition, then it is not closed in this particular set. So the first fundamental that you must remember is binary composition and a set. Set is a collection of well-defined objects, and there are several sets. So whatever we do, set is must, and all the operations are with respect to the set only. So let us continue. We consider some examples. Set of natural numbers. Plus means addition. Is closed in N. Why? If you pick up any two natural numbers, any two, then find their sum. The answer is always the member of S. So this composition, this operation is binary composition. Again I am telling you, you have to pick up two members, and two members at a time in the form of pair you will find in this N cross N, that is x comma y, such that x and y both are the members of this. This is very important. Set of ordered pair. Okay, so here this one is closed, that means you find it is this. Suppose I consider set of even natural numbers. That means you find 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on. Consider this. Consider any two even numbers, find their sum. We people know that sum of two even numbers is always an even number. So addition is closed in this particular set. But if I change the set, suppose I define by using, suppose this set B. Set of odd natural numbers. Operation is plus, that is addition. What will happen? Pick up any two odd natural numbers, find their sum. The sum of two odd natural numbers is always even. That means the answer is not the member of the given set. So this is not closed. It means addition is not the binary composition in set of odd natural numbers. Instead of addition, if we consider multiplication, suppose multiplication is denoted by dot. Multiplication. You try yourself. If we multiply any two natural numbers, the answer is a natural numbers again. That means multiplication is closed in n. That means multiplication is binary composition, द्विआधारी संक्रिया हिंदी में बोलते हैं। तो सबसे पहले आपको मालूम होना चाहिए कि सेट समुच्चय जो है वो क्या है। दूसरी बात, उस समुच्चय, उस सेट के जो एलिमेंट्स है, मेंबर्स है, उनका नेचर कैसा है। और तीसरी बात, उनमें कंपोजिशन कौन सा है, संक्रिया कौन सी है, एडिशन है या मल्टीप्लिकेशन है या सब्ट्रैक्शन है या डिवीजन है या कोई और ऑपरेशन। If we pick up two elements of that particular set and we apply the composition and we find the answer in the same set every time, in all the cases possible, then that particular operation, that particular composition is the binary composition. Okay? Addition and multiplication. Both are closed in set of natural numbers, set of integers, set of rational numbers, set of real numbers, and set of complex numbers. Again I repeat, योग तथा गुणन इन समुच्चयों में एक द्विआधारी संक्रिया है। Addition and multiplication both are closed, means both are binary composition. In set of natural numbers, प्राकृत संख्या, set of integers, पूर्णांक, set of rational, परिमेय संख्या है, set of real numbers and set of complex numbers. So these two operations are binary composition in all that. M, I define it, set of square matrices of order 2 by 2 with real entries. This is the set of square matrices. of order 2 by 2 with real entries. I mean to say, such that members of the matrix are the real numbers with real entries. Order is fixed, that is 2 by 2. Now we consider any two members. If we consider two members here, we find two natural numbers. If we consider two members here, we find two complex numbers, means nature of the elements of the set must be known by you. So here, this is the set. It is well defined. Which type of members? Matrices. Which type of matrix? Square. What is the order? 2 by 2. Which type of entries? Real. It is not necessary that A, B, C, D are not equal. May be equal, may not be, maybe A and B equal, whatever it is. Maybe all four be equal. You can find 2, 2, 2, 2. You can find 0, 0, 0. Whatever you want. So here it is the matrix. Now if I say addition, then you must know how to add two matrices, as you know how to add two numbers. To add numbers, to add natural numbers, and to add two complex numbers, both are different. To add natural numbers, we add as usual, but to add two complex numbers, addition is different. We add real parts separately and we add imaginary parts separately. In the similar way, how to add two matrices? Two matrices be added if they are of the same order. And the answer is again a matrix of the same order. I mean to say, if we consider any two matrix 1 minus 1 3 0 plus 2 5 1 8, 2 by 2, this is also 2 by 2. How to add? Corresponding members will be added, and again we will find a matrix of order 2 by 2. So the result is again the member of this one. So addition is closed in M. Addition means here binary composition. Binary composition means mapping, means function, means rule. What is that rule? Plus n cross n to n. Set of ordered pairs means two matrices taken together. इस बात को याद रखना, मैं बार बार बोलता हूँ. Two members are together. Two members are taken. Then we operate it. If I use this plus symbol, then I am bound to write some number here and here. If I write this side, suppose I write 2, it is only 2. Plus 2 or you write 2. But if I write here 4, for example, then the answer is found, that is 6. So we need this one and this one with respect to this to operate it. Similarly, in case of multiplication, we need two members or two matrices or two vectors also. Suppose I say V be the set of vectors. You know that sum of two vectors is again a vector quantity. But you remember, if the operation is changed, suppose you consider two vectors and you apply dot product, the answer is a number, scalar. And if we apply cross product, then the answer is a vector. So if I write A dot B, the answer is a number, and this does not belong to B. So this dot operation, that is scalar product or dot product, is not the binary composition. But instead of this, if I write A cross B, then the answer is a vector. It means this belongs to V. So scalar product, dot product is not the binary composition, where vector product or cross product is the binary composition. So try to understand this. You have already learnt in abstract algebra, but you just recall what is the set, which type of set is given, which type of operation is defined, what is the answer, and how to decide the given operation or the given composition is binary or not. It is not necessary that a set is equipped with a single composition. You may be given two binary composition at a time with a single set. Algebraic structure. Why is it algebraic structure? Because this is the binary composition in N. This is also the binary composition in N. What about this? This is also algebraic structure because this is the binary composition in this. What about this? Dot is the multiplication. This is the addition. This is algebraic structure. This is also algebraic structure. This is also algebraic structure. So what is the algebraic structure? A non-empty set with at least one binary composition is involved, or a set with at least one binary composition is involved. So if you find this type of situation, then you find this is the algebraic structure. In a similar way, I write set of real numbers set of complex numbers and so on. So algebraic structure, a set with two binary composition, a set with single binary composition, a set with two binary composition, so maybe one or more binary composition. Now I change the situation. Suppose we be the non-empty sets. binary compositions are defined, but in different way. Plus into whatever it is denoted by this symbol. Look at this. Here it is. This one. The similar situation with this, n cross n to n. This is called internal binary composition. Both the compositions are internal, but here it is different. This is internal and this is external. Internal, this is external. Why is it external? Because the set has been changed. It is a special type of algebraic structure. There are two sets. One is V, other is F. This composition is internal in V. ध्यान से सुनना है. This composition is internal in V, and this composition is external in V. मैं बोल रहा हूँ external in V because the result is in V. This is the external composition due to this. This is the internal composition. So here there are two sets. One is V and other is F. F is a special type of set. We will discuss after that. But here you find there are two sets. One is V and other is F. This is internal composition. This is external composition. Now, I give you an example on it so you can understand easily. Very interesting example, and you have done it in lower classes. You have done addition, multiplication, division, how to find square root, how to find logarithmic of a number. Several operations you have done. But we have to summarize them in different manner. In lower classes, we do not learn that addition is closed in set of natural numbers. In those classes, our aim were how to add the numbers. But addition has the property. Multiplication has the property. Means binary composition has the property. How many properties? Which type of properties? If a binary composition is associative, then what is the name of that? If the binary composition is commutative, then what will happen? If there exists an identity, which type of identity, left or right, whatever, then what will happen? All these situations you have learnt in abstract algebra. That is the property of बाइनरी कंपोजिशन. हम प्रॉपर्टीज को बढ़ाते जाते हैं और जो सेट आपने काम में लिया है उसका नाम बदलते जाते हैं. मैं आपको याद दिलाता हूं. सपोज GBN सेट्स with this binary composition. It means J is closed in C. What is this? A symbol for binary composition. It may be addition, it may be multiplication, it may be any other operation. So here this symbol means the binary composition. So this is closed in C. What do you mean by closed in C? Is just pick up two members of C, and the answer is again in C. How to write this? For all A, B belongs to C implies A plus B belongs to C. For any two natural numbers, the addition of two natural numbers is again a natural number. It is that. We have learnt this one. So this is closed in C. If this is associative, then if there exists E belongs to C such that existence of identity. आइडेंटिटी. कई बार जो शब्द होते हैं बहुत भारी भरकम होते हैं, समझ में नहीं आते हैं, जबकि हम पहले से जानते हैं. यदि एक छोटे क्लास के बच्चे को तीसरी, चौथी, थर्ड, फोर्थ स्टैंडर्ड में जो है, यदि उससे पूछा जाए कि किसी नंबर में क्या जोड़ा जाए ये वापस वही नंबर आ जाए, फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स. ऐसे क्वेश्चन आपने बहुत सारे किए हैं. बहुत सारे क्वेश्चन किए हैं. द आंसर इज 0 हियर. Your answer is 0. Means 0 plus 5 is 5 and 5 plus 0 is also 5. लोअर क्लासेस में हम इन पे ध्यान नहीं देते हैं, दिमाग उतना ही डेवलप होता है. धीरे धीरे एब्स्ट्रैक्ट चीज़ें सिखाई जाती है, एक साथ नहीं. जैसे आप बड़े होते हैं धीरे धीरे चलना सीखते हो. यदि आपको इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज सिखाया जाए, उसके टेंसेस सिखाया जाए, सब्जेक्ट क्या होता है, ऑब्जेक्ट क्या होता है, पागल हो जाओगे. बच्चा हमेशा दूसरों के बोल के फिर सीखता है, सुनता है फिर बोलने की कोशिश करता है, उसके बाद जो उसने सीखा है उसको एनालाइज करता है कि जो वो बोल रहा है, लैंग्वेज इंग्लिश की यदि मैं बात करता हूँ तो उसमें सब्जेक्ट क्या है, ऑब्जेक्ट क्या है, वर्ब क्या है, सेंटेंस का पैटर्न कौन सा है, प्रेजेंट टेंस में बोला है या पास्ट टेंस में बोला या फ्यूचर टेंस में बोला है। वही काम यहाँ पर आप मैथमेटिक्स में कर रहे हो। आपने सारा सीख लिया है 12th तक, जो भी आपने सीखा है, या फर्स्ट ईयर तक। अब मैं जो पढ़ा रहा हूँ ये सीखा, आंसर दे दिया आपने जीरो। If zero is added to every number, the answer is the number itself. कण कण में भगवान है, भगवान को आइडेंटिटी बोला जाता है, ईश्वर एक आइडेंटिटी। ये हर नंबर की प्रॉपर्टी है कि इसमें जीरो को ऐड किया तो आंसर वापस वही नंबर आएगा, और कोई नंबर नहीं। लेकिन वो नंबर जो है, जो यहाँ जीरो है, वो उस सेट का मेंबर होना जरूरी है। यदि मैं नेचुरल नंबर्स की बात करता हूं, प्राकृत संख्या की बात करता हूं, सो इफ जीरो इज एडेड टू एवरी नेचुरल नंबर, द आंसर इज अ नेचुरल नंबर्स लाइक दिस। बट जीरो इटसेल्फ इज नॉट अ नेचुरल नंबर। जीरो प्राकृतिक संख्या नहीं है। यदि ऐसा नंबर मिल जाता है आपको जो उस सेट में हो, तो वो नंबर आइडेंटिटी कहलाता है। दैट नंबर इज नोन एज आइडेंटिटी। हियर E इज द आइडेंटिटी, इन दिस केस जीरो इज द आइडेंटिटी। लेकिन वो आइडेंटिटी उस सेट में होनी चाहिए। ओके। फोर्थ, existence of inverse. The existence of inverse of every member of G. ये प्रॉपर्टीज इस बाइनरी कंपोजिशन की है। किसमें है? जी में। अब ये जी है, इन प्रॉपर्टीज के साथ में, तो जी स्पेशल हो गया। मैं अभी आपको यहां पढ़ा रहा हूं, मैं यहाँ के लिए, इस इंस्टीट्यूशन के लिए शिक्षक हूँ, लेकिन जैसे मैं घर जाऊंगा सिचुएशन बदल जाएगी। ये प्रॉपर्टीज इस सेट में, इस कंपोजिशन की, इस सेट के थ्रू, तो ये जो सेट है उसको हम बोलते हैं ग्रुप। G is non-empty set with this binary composition satisfying these properties, then this set is known as group. आपने पढ़ रखा है। If there is one more property, if this is commutative, then G is known as abelian group. आबेली समूह हिंदी में आपने पढ़ा होगा, abelian group। प्रॉपर्टीज डालते जाओ, ऑपरेशंस बढ़ाते जाओ, नाम बदलते जाओ। दैट इज कॉल्ड द एक्सटेंशन ऑफ द थ्योरी, जो हम करते रहते हैं। नाउ कम टू द पॉइंट। हियर इज single operation, single sets, single set, two operations. Single set, two operations. Both are internal. This is abelian. चार ये प्रॉपर्टी और एक कम्यूटेटिव. This is also abelian with respect to multiplication. 1, 2, 3, 4 and abelian. 5 प्रॉपर्टी. इसके लिए 5, इसके लिए. Then one more property, that is the connection in these two. That is the distributive property. So how many properties? The set has 11. This set is known as filled. नाम बदल रहे हैं, ध्यान रखना है. यही काम हम यहां पर भी करेंगे. आज के लिए इतना बहुत है. थोड़ा सा अपने माइंड को ब्रॉड रखो, समझने की कोशिश करो. यदि ये फंडामेंटल आपको समझ में आ जाता है तो आप चीज़ों को अलग तरह से देखना शुरू करोगे और आपको समझ में आएगा कि बेसिक पार्ट क्या है और मुझे किसको पकड़ के रखना है. देन योर कॉन्फिडेंस will increase automatically and you will enjoy mathematics. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.